So if you're not getting any notifications from your Google Nest Doorbell battery, or alerts are delayed for guests, family members, or package deliveries, here's how to fix it and manage your notification settings. So first, make sure your phone itself is not in DND or Do Not Disturb mode or any other mode that blocks app notification. And also make sure your internet connection is stable, because you know what? Poor connectivity can delay or prevent notifications. So if you're still not getting alerts, let's open the Google Home app. Just go to the live view of your doorbell, and just to cross-check, make sure the camera is turned on. If it's off, just turn it on manually. Now, as you can see, as soon as we did that, our notifications started coming through immediately. If yours still are not working, tap on this hamburger menu. Just go to the quiet time. If quiet time is enabled, just in case, it can block notifications. So tap stop and disable it. Now next, from the live view, tap on the view. Then from the gear icon, go to settings, and then scroll down to notifications. Now here you're going to make sure push notification is selected, and you can turn off away only notifications option. And from here, you can choose which notification categories you want to receive, such as people, packages, animals, and so on. And then enter event settings. Enable the event categories you want, such as people, packages, animals, and make sure your notifications are turned on for each one. You can enable all categories or only the one that matter most to you. And your notifications should now start working normally after that. Thanks for your time.